Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and I'm doing a review of Marvel Legends Malekith, I think it's pronounced. Let me know down below if I mispronounced his name. He's a dark elf, one of Thor villains. If you read the books currently, you know he's one who started out the whole Asgardian war. Box out down there. Ooh, it's down there. I'd say this is Cole Bison's or Cole Obsidian's hammer, so you can play whack-a-mole. Whack, whack, whack. Put that right there. Because we got his arm right here. There's some good articulation in there. I can't wait to get him put together. I have the other bits over there, and in my pile of my backlog over there, I have the rest of this wave. I think I just gotta do Thor and Wasp, and I'll open that down there. There's his sword. Yeah, see, I like the fact that his sword is actually straight. Unlike the Black Knight, his sword was all. And I did a review of him, 2 weeks ago, a month ago, something like that. And it's still not straight. Well, let's see how well he holds his sword in his hand. And I drop him on the floor. Not bad. Zalba is good with the pouches for his belt. So there are two different tones of red, more of a burgundy and a red. Like smudge marks on the back here. But oh well. The star there, and I'm sure he's got the whole split right down the middle, black skin, blue skin. Oh, his head can go side to side a bit, but his shoulder blades do hinder it a little bit. The head goes up and down. Arms can turn, go out and in a bit. And then with the shoulder blades, screw that all up. That's okay. We got a double jointed elbow, rocker joint in the hand, chest crunch. No articulation in the waist. That's fine, I guess. Whatever. Legs don't have all that much posability. I mean, they do. I'm sure there's the ball joints right here. Got the double double jointed knees, turning type thing there and there, rocker joint in the feet, but they're hindered by his skirt. And oh well. This is another classic Thor villain. But not bad, I guess. Probably most undesirable character from this wave. But still, not a bad figure. I really don't have any other complaints or praises for this guy. So if you like malekith and like the review, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, bing that bell for notifications, and I will see you next time. Later.